In our previous clip, we showed how to use makeList and makeSet to create an array of items. What if we had that array though, and we wanted to convert it back into rows? Well, that's where the mvexpand operator comes in. Here you can see a query I used in the previous clip where I'm summarizing to get a list of computers that have less than 30% free space. But I'm going to take that output and now pass it into mvexpand, and we're going to expand the computer's name, and here we see that I now have one row for each computer that was in my set. So let's see another example of how to use this. If you recall from our discussion on toDynamic in the previous module, we can take a JSON object that is a collection of key value pairs, and we'll convert it to individual items in an array by using toDynamic. But now I'm going to use mvexpand to expand that into individual values. I'm then going to take that and put it in project and get back some interesting information. Here you can see I've got my time-generated display name, alert name, and severity, and then I have my extended properties. But what it's done is it's taken the first row from that JSON object and placed that key value pair into the extended property. So alert start time, and it has the date. It then took the next item and placed it in a row. So the second row has source and IP address. And it just repeats the other columns that are associated with that row for that particular JSON object. And this will just continue for each item in that JSON object. So as you can see, mvexpand has some interesting uses when we're working with sets, lists, or perhaps a JSON object that has been dynamically converted.